Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about the HTML attributes. The HTML attributes provide additional information about these elements. So there are different rules. So first rule is about all can elements can have attributes. So there is additional information about the attributes. Attributes can provide additional information about elements, what type of elements they are, and what we can do with those attributes. Are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name value pairs like name equals to value. We can also set its name to value and we can specify those values in the element tag. So the first attribute is href attribute, and what is the href attribute is a link to website. So we use this a then href, which is our anchor tag. That stands for anchor, and that will be a link to another website. So for example, like google.com, and here we just simply show in between that what is about that link. So visit the website of Google, and another attribute is about the source attribute, which use the image tag, and where we use the source attribute, then value set to equal, and use the image as our tag, and then we can also set the image width and height according manually. So width will be equals to 600 and height will be equals to 700. So we can set its height and width manually. Another attribute is about the alt attribute. We use that attribute in the image tag. So use source attribute and then use that png, and we use that alternating tag in case, and we use that alt attribute in the case of sense that if there are not any, if the image does not show on the website, then the alt attribute comes very handy in that situation, and that shows the little about what the image is about. And another attribute is about the style attribute. And that is, we use a paragraph tag and then style attribute here, and we put color that which is going to be equal to red, for example, and this is a red paragraph. So and that line will show about in the red line. So we are going to see about what it's going to look like. So this is link and this is an image, and this is our red in color paragraph. As you can see that in this is a red paragraph that shows in red color, and this is the image attribute about image about Google, and this is also about the image. We have set its width manually, that is showing in large width and size. The other is we did not set its width and height any type, so it is showing automatically its width and height adjust to its size of the browser. So another heading is about the link, which is showing here. This is the link, and if we click on it, it will also take us to another website that will be about google.com. Another attribute is about the lang attribute. Another attribute is about the lang attribute, and we put that in here and on the top of the HTML tag, right next to the HTML tag, and that will be in English language, which is the standard language for the HTML. So we can also set its value to US or UK language. Another attribute is about the title attribute. We use that attribute in the paragraph and put that title into I am a tooltip. So this is the tooltip. Tooltip. This is a paragraph. And if we preview this one here, so as you can see that this has shown that this is a tooltip. I am a tooltip. So this about shows that in title. So the attribute of users is this, that if you simply put the cursor on it, it is going to show you that I am a tooltip. That is the title, and it is like a hover screen effect. So this is it. See you in the next video.